Hello and welcome to How to Play Game of Six, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Game of Six. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 1 die and a scorecard. The object of the game is to score the most points. Points are scored by rolling the die and choosing where to score on the scorecard. When filling in a score box, a player will take the amount on the die rolled multiplied by 1 to 6 depending on the score box. For example, a player rolls a 3 and chooses to use their 2 score box. 3 times 2 scores 6 points for the 2 box. Each player will get 6 rolls to fill out their score boxes. Player 1 goes first and rolls a 4. Player 1 takes 4 times 5 to score 20 points in their 5 box. Player 2 goes next and rolls a 2. Player 2 takes 2 times 1 to score 2 points in their 1 box. Players continue to take turns rolling and scoring until all score boxes are filled. The player with the most points at the end of the game wins. That wraps up How to Play Game of Six. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.